This is Greg with Southern Star Roofing here on Tuesday, December 15th. I'm out here at one of our customers' house that we just roofed here this morning. So I wanted to walk around and give everyone some photos of the house that we just completed here this morning. So here's the front of the house. As we walk around over the garage area. And this house was done in weatherwood, Certainteed Landmark weatherwood shingles. And I'll walk you around to the back of the house here and take a look. So this house was for a customer out here in Mount Holly. And there's the back roof. And our crews were out here this morning and roofed it, and already have it completed. And it is about 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is what our crews can do in a day. They can knock out roofs for you and clean up on the ground. It's excellent. So great cleanup. And that concludes the video.